In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import MIDI in Soundtrap. If you've got a MIDI file ready and you want to bring it into Soundtrap so you can arrange, edit, and produce with it, you're in the right place. Make sure your MIDI file is saved somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated project folder, and use a modern browser with a stable internet connection for the smoothest experience. Start by heading to the Soundtrap website. Once the page loads, look for the Login button, usually at the top corner of the screen, and click it. On the sign-in page, choose Login with Google. This keeps the process quick and secure. Select the Google account you want to use for Soundtrap and complete any prompts from your browser or Google as usual. Be sure you're using the correct account for your projects, especially if you have separate personal and school or work profiles. After you're signed in, click on Studio. This opens the main workspace where all the music making happens. Give it a second to load. The Studio interface will appear with the timeline, track area, and control bar. Now look toward the upper area of the Studio and click File. From the menu that appears, select Import. This tells Soundtrap that you want to bring in a file from your computer. A system window will pop up and you'll see an option to import to audio track. Go ahead and click that, then navigate to your MIDI file and select it. Even though it says audio track, Soundtrap will read the MIDI data and place it in your project so you can work with the musical notes rather than a recorded waveform. After the import, give the project a moment to process. You should see your MIDI region appear on the timeline. Press play to hear it back. If the sound isn't what you expect right away, that's normal. MIDI is just performance data, so the instrument sound you hear depends on the software instrument loaded in the track. You can explore instrument choices in the studio to find a tone that fits your project and style. If your MIDI file was created at a different tempo, listen closely and adjust your project tempo if needed so everything lines up musically. Larger MIDI files or files with lots of tracks may take a bit longer to load, so be patient. Soundtrap autosaves frequently, but it's always a good idea to keep your projects organized and named clearly. And that's it. You've successfully imported MIDI into Soundtrap, and you're ready to arrange, edit, and produce your track.